me. We were in the middle of renovating our pool. As the project progressed, it learned about chemical-free water in your pool. Didn't know anything about it, didn't know it existed. We put it in and have never looked back. It's great. And it wasn't long before I would get up and I had full range of motion. And then I would get out of the pool and I would notice, not right away because I wasn't paying attention, but I would notice the pain was gone. And then the inflammation that is probably sitting in there causing you that pain this oxygenated water system is helping that go away. And I feel better about being in the pool. The chlorine, as you would get out of the water, all the chemicals in a chlorinated pool just make your skin dried out. And I think the future is bright for the technology. The challenge in my mind is an age-old challenge. How do you get the word out to the masses? This technology, this water that comes out of this oxygenated system is far and above whatever I expected it would be.
We were the first pool in Arizona everywhere to get awesome oxygenated water. Oh, it's been amazing. Starting from the little things of scars that I've had forever that were just like you couldn't see them anymore. The big thing that was I noticed was when we were walking around, our feet would get torn up by the bottom of the pool. We got the oxygenated water in, and then our feet cleared up. We didn't have to wear our shoes in the hard ground. We weren't having all torn up feet anymore. The biggest effect was that I smelled like chlorine all the time. I took a shower at nighttime and I smelled like chlorine. After we got the oxygenated pool, I no longer have the perfume of chlorine. The oxygenated water, the biggest benefit I've had has been for my fibromyalgia and my endometriosis and my migraines. It has changed my life 100%, and I am so grateful for it.